Hi, and welcome to Teacher Nell's Learning Resources, your place to listen, read, and enjoy amazing short stories. Let's get started. Hello, kids. Now let us read the story. Before we start, let me explain what a myth is. A myth is a story set a long time ago. It usually has a hero or a heroine that has special abilities or powers. It tells about how they overcome problems or challenges. Some myths tell us how things came to be or how they were made. Different cultures have their own myths. We will read a story called Apo, a giant guardian, written by Obed B. Periabras. A long time ago, the gods made a noble giant named Apo. He was a kind and wise giant. The gods traveled to Earth with Apo and gave him the whole world as present. This land is where the plants grow and rivers flow. Please take good care of them, the gods said. These animals are my creations. Please be good to them, the gods continued. That is the moon. It will give you light and night. The dad spoke while pointing at the skies above. Those are the stars and planets where other gods live. Please call them if you need help, the god said and left. Apo helped everyone and lived with grace. The people hope he will save them from harm and keep their home safe using his talents. Now, let's answer the questions. Who can describe the characters from the story? Take a look at this answer. It might be the same as your answer. Apo, a kind and wise giant who helps people, animals, and plants. He protects the earth and keeps it safe. The gods, powerful and wise beings who made Apo. They gave him the earth and everything in it and asked him to take care of it. Where did the story happen? Maybe your answer is also like this. The story happened on earth and in the sky. What are the some of the polite expressions used by the gods as he instructs Apo of his role? That's correct. The answer is please take good care of them when talking about the plants and rivers. And please be good to them when talking about the animals. Please call them if you need help. when talking about the other gods in the stars and planets. That's it for today's story. Friends, if you had fun, give it a thumbs up, share it with your buddies, and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss the next adventure with Teacher Nels. Till next time, happy learning!